Trading accounts is the section in Option Panel where you manage all the accounts linked to your profile, both paper trading accounts and real broker accounts. To get there, click on the user icon in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Trading Accounts from the options. Once inside, the top part of the screen shows the available connection cards. From here, you can either create an internal Option Panel paper trading account or link a real account from one of the supported brokers. In the lower part of the section, you will see a list of all the accounts currently linked to your profile. By default, when you sign up for the platform, an account called Default is automatically created for you. It is a paper trading account. By clicking the three dots on the right side of each account, you can access its options, delete it, or edit its details to, for example, change its name or temporarily disable it without removing it entirely. The number of accounts you can link to your profile depends on your subscription plan. To check the limits for each plan, click on the user icon in the top right corner and select Pro version from the drop-down menu. In upcoming videos, we will walk through how to create an Option Panel paper trading account and how to connect a real broker account. So if that is what you need, stay tuned for those tutorials.